Welcome back to World History Channel.
Today, we're exploring 10 luxury cars that are built to last forever. These vehicles aren't just about style. They're crafted for durability and long-term performance. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply intrigued by timeless luxury, stay tuned to discover which of these classics could be a lifetime investment. Remember to like, share, and comment where you're watching from. 1. Rolls-royce Phantom. Rolls-royce Phantom driving through a grand estate, followed by interior shots of the luxurious cabin. First on our list is the Rolls-royce Phantom. Priced around $450,000, this vehicle epitomizes luxury and durability. The Phantom offers an unparalleled ride quality, thanks to its advanced air suspension and V12 engine. Its bespoke interiors and meticulous craftsmanship ensure longevity and an exceptional driving experience. The high price point may be a barrier for many, and its size can make it challenging to maneuver in tight spaces. Despite its luxurious veneer, the Phantom is built with a solid, enduring chassis and a powerful engine, designed to last for decades. 2. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Mercedes-Benz S-Class navigating through city streets, followed by close-ups of its advanced features and luxurious interior. Next, we have the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, with a starting price of approximately $110,000. Known for its blend of technology and luxury, the S-Class is renowned for its cutting-edge technology, including advanced driver assistance systems and a plush, quiet cabin. Its build quality and attention to detail ensure long-term reliability. Maintenance costs can be high, and the initial purchase price is steep. Additionally, some users may find its size cumbersome in urban settings. The S-Class features a robust construction and a highly durable air suspension system, designed to handle both smooth and rough roads. Does the S-Class catch your eye? 3. Bentley Continental GT. Bentley Continental GT cruising along scenic routes, showcasing its powerful engine and luxurious features. The Bentley Continental GT, priced around $250,000, is a blend of power and luxury. It's designed to offer a lasting driving experience. The Continental GT boasts a powerful W12 engine and a handcrafted interior, ensuring both performance and luxury. Its build quality is top-notch, designed to endure. The high cost of ownership, including maintenance and insurance, can be substantial. Its large size may also limit its practicality. Bentley's engineering ensures the Continental GT is built to last, with a durable chassis and advanced drivetrain. 4. Aston Martin DB11. Aston Martin DB11 driving through mountainous terrain, highlighting its sleek design and luxury features. The Aston Martin DB11, with a price tag of around $205,000, is a high-performance luxury car built for durability. Known for its stunning design and powerful V8 or V12 engines, the DB11 offers an exhilarating driving experience. Its high-quality interior and engineering make it a reliable choice. Its cost of ownership can be high, and maintenance may require specialized service. The rear seat space is limited. The DB11's robust build and performance-oriented design ensure it remains reliable and enduring over time. Do you admire the DB11's elegance? 5. Porsche 911. Porsche 911 navigating a racetrack, showcasing its performance and durability. The Porsche 911, starting at around $60,000, is a sports car legend known for its reliability and longevity. The 911's rear engine layout and high-quality construction make it a reliable choice. Its iconic design and performance are complemented by a well-engineered drivetrain. The 911's rear engine design can affect handling for some drivers, and maintenance costs can be higher for specific models. The 911 is renowned for its durability, with a robust engine and solid chassis that handle both daily driving and track days. Is the Porsche 911 your dream car? 6. Ferrari 488 GTB. Ferrari 488 GTB speeding on a racetrack, followed by interior shots highlighting its luxury features. The Ferrari 488 GTB, with a price of around $250,000, combines high performance with durability. It's built for enthusiasts who seek both speed and reliability. Its turbocharged V8 engine offers exhilarating performance, and the car's build quality ensures it can handle long-term use. The 488 GTB also boasts a stunning design and advanced technology. The cost of maintenance and insurance can be high. The ride can be stiff for those seeking a more comfortable daily driver. The 488 GTB's engineering ensures it remains a durable choice, with a focus on both performance and longevity. If the Ferrari 488 GTB excites you, let us know in the comments. 7. Jaguar XJ. Jaguar XJ driving through a cityscape, highlighting its refined interior and advanced features. The Jaguar XJ, with a starting price of around $85,000, combines luxury with durability. It's known for its refined ride and robust build. The XJ offers a smooth, comfortable ride with advanced technology and high-quality materials. Its reliable performance and stylish design make it a great long-term investment. The XJ's larger size can be challenging in tight spaces, and its maintenance costs may be higher compared to other luxury sedans. The XJ's strong construction and sophisticated engineering contribute to its lasting durability and performance. 8. BMW 7 Series. BMW 7 Series cruising along a coastal road, showcasing its advanced technology and luxurious features. The BMW 7 Series, priced from around $90,000, is a luxury sedan known for its innovation and durability. With cutting-edge technology, a powerful engine, and a high-quality interior, the 7 Series offers both luxury and longevity. Its advanced features and reliable build make it a top choice. Does the BMW 7 Series impress you? 9. Maserati Quattroporte. Maserati Quattroporte driving through scenic routes, showcasing its Italian craftsmanship and luxury features. The Maserati Quattroporte, starting at about $105,000, combines Italian craftsmanship with enduring quality. Known for its stylish design and powerful performance, the Quattroporte is built with high-quality materials and engineering. Its luxurious interior and robust build ensure longevity. The Quattroporte's maintenance and repair costs can be high. Its size and performance may not be suited for all drivers. Maserati's engineering ensures that the Quattroporte remains a durable choice, with a focus on both luxury and performance. 10. Lexus LS. Lexus LS driving through urban and rural settings, highlighting its luxury and durability. The Lexus LS, with a price of around $80,000, is a luxury sedan known for its reliability and longevity. The LS offers exceptional build quality, a smooth ride, and advanced technology. Its durable construction and high-quality materials make it a dependable long-term choice. While the LS is known for its reliability, its design may not appeal to everyone. Maintenance costs, while reasonable, can add up over time. The LS is engineered for durability, with a robust chassis and reliable drivetrain designed to withstand years of use. A recap montage of all 10 luxury cars, highlighting their key features and luxurious details. There you have it. 10 luxury cars that are designed to last forever. Each of these vehicles combines style, performance, and durability, making them excellent choices for those who appreciate long-term investment in luxury. What do you think of our list? Are there any other cars you believe deserve a spot? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know if you want us to cover more luxury cars or business ideas specific to your country.